a smartest choice for cross-platform development. It is a toolkit allowing developers to write code that runs on multiple platforms. It supports all the major platforms, including iOS, Android, Windows, and Linux. 60% of developers already use or have tried Kotlin Multiplatform in production. 45% of developers have participated in more than one Kotlin Multiplatform project. Native interoperability. Code sharing. No UI required. Modern platform. It is simple and more intuitive than Java or C++. It doesn't require code-based modifications like other platforms do. It does not rely on browser rendering engines. Google, Netflix, Pinterest, Uber. Are you planning to use Kotlin Multiplatform for cross-platform app development? Get connected with ValueCoders professionals to develop an amazing web app for your business.